that we've started, so we want to build that reputation of setting good standards, be it on and off the field. So the way we arrive at a new venue, the way we leave the venue, the kind of standards we want to set throughout, so then people will know, do you know, A2B Academy have got high standards and they've got good character and stuff like that.
Education side, trying to get all my target grades, to be honest with you.
Yeah, so it's about football, but then again it's about other sports as well, and there's like loads of different aspects of in depth in football that I like doing. A few areas I'd like to look at, like the football side of like the injuries and the physio, but then again I'd like the coaching side of it and all, scouting all different players. They're friendly and they like to get involved with the training as well as with the jokes. Like, they're not just there as our coach, they're like our friends basically. Playing games every Wednesday or even 2 games a week is what I want to do, and it's good fun. As a team, like we're getting there. Like each game by game, we're getting better and better. And like every time I play, I'll learn something new, even if it's in like playing up front or playing in defence or midfield. Like I'll learn something new every game.
The fact that we can train every day, we have young, experienced coaches that can give us opportunities and get the best out of us.
Education, the minimum, is what their target grades are. You know, in terms of a lot of them are clever and bright boys. It's about motivating them and getting them to excel and push. Instead of doing what they would like to say, kind of like the bare minimum, we want them to thrive and they're looking to push their goals a lot higher. Strive to be better than just be the average. That's sort of the goals that we set.
We all get along, and that makes the course more enjoyable.
Definitely, without A2B, before I actually came here to be at the meeting with the Dan, I wasn't planning on continuing football. I was had an injury, so as soon as I came into A2B, 3 months of hard training, it resulted in Huddersfield trials. Be able to compare professional academy, Premier League academy with our own programme and course.
One thing I keep telling the boys is if you can look at yourself in the mirror and say, I've done my best, that's all we expect from you.